Hello, this is Dennis McDonald with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. This is a Kellogg metal wall phone for a customer of ours, John in Kentucky. This telephone has the original transmitter. The capsule inside is totally original. The receiver capsule is totally original. Even the working parts inside. As you can hear, the dial tone. Make dial tone go away. Bring it back. This is where the cord will run out, the modular cord. There is a little niche here that's factory for a cord to come out when it's mounted on the wall. And with one screw here at the top of the telephone, you take that out and the telephone is on a hinge and it just opens right up. So it's very accessible. Here's the inside of the telephone. This here is a bridge rectifier that will get mounted up here. I just wanted to show people who are interested in the videos that we do and interested in electronics that I like to build bridge rectifiers. I build my own. You build them with 4 diodes, and that's to ensure the proper polarity at the network here. This is a coil under here, under the screw down block, and this is the capacitor. So this is to keep this bridge rectifier is to keep proper polarity to the phone. I like to do that. So here's a switch here that we have added. This will get mounted and put away a little bit. It's just to show people who are watching the video. Here's a switch for the bell. That's off. Towards the bell is on. Away from the bell is off. So towards the bell is on. I'm going to go ahead and hang this telephone up, and we're going to ring the bell. This telephone has excellent sound. I'm going to turn the bell off, turn it on. Off, on. Lift the handset, or lift the hook switch. Dial tone. Now, I want to show you here what we did. I talked to John on the telephone, and I was explaining to him that we put a line port, we installed a line port right here, so that we could plug our line cord in. Probably hear the analyzer kick on and off. And I installed that line port here because I wasn't sure if the telephone would be mounted over the wall jack that you're going to plug it into. And if that's the case, all you would do is need a short little piece of line cord here. If you've ever seen the short ones, they just go from the modular plug port here to the plug. And if it's going to be a longer situation where the jack is farther away, well, then all that has to happen is that line cord will come out right here, where there's a little niche from the factory for the line. And this phone is totally original. I want to show you something else that I think we showed you earlier in the checkout video. This telephone has the original schematic. and it's right there. And that's really nice that it has the original schematic. And then just to show you a little bit of what's going on here, this is a capacitor that we added for the ring circuit, and that runs over to the switch, and we will mount this bridge net. We will put a little protective cover over this bridge network and mount it right there. But the port for the line cord is right here. The switch for the bell is right there, and then a capacitor. And we did some rewiring that to take care of the telephone the way we wanted it. And I think you can probably hear that dial tone in the background. So now we're going to ring the phone one more time. And if anybody wants to know how to build a bridge rectifier, they can email me, and I'll draw them a little schematic of one. Or you can probably find it somewhere, how to make a bridge rectifier. But anyway, we're going to ring the phone. Turn the bell off. Turn the bell back on. That's a beautiful telephone there. It's in very good condition. We're just going to clean it up a little bit. We don't want to get carried away on telephones like this. Just clean them up a little bit and use them like they're supposed to be used. It's got, you probably can't see it on the camera, on the video, but it says Kellogg Switchboard and Supply Company, Chicago, USA. That is in very good condition, and you probably just want to clean this telephone up a little bit and leave it alone. It's in good shape, and I think when people over clean them, they just start looking like they're not really old anymore. So we'll get it cleaned up a little bit, and we'll get it back out to the customer. We're going to ship it off tomorrow, and here's just a little final video of the telephone and some of the things that we did to it here with the modular port that we installed, and the switch for the bell, a little bell conversion here with a capacitor, and some rewiring, and cleaning the connections, and cleaning up the receiver capsule connections and transmitter capsule connections. And I think I'm going to shut the video down. We hope you enjoyed it. We appreciate you watching the video, and thank you. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair. Thank you.